Welcome to the Airwallon production facility in Dobrich, Bulgaria. This pneumatic structure was designed and manufactured specifically to house Airwallon's own production facility. The total floor area is 1,210 square meters. Let's take a look inside and see how the space looks, and how we address the various technical requirements. The shape of the structure is maintained by stable air pressure inside the arched cylinders. At the same time, there is no excess air pressure inside the facility itself. This is important for the day-to-day operation of the production facility. One of the key requirements for our production facility was the ability to drive heavy vehicles directly inside. That's why the dimensions of the structure and the entrance area were designed to allow a semi-trailer truck to drive inside for loading and unloading. Working height, 6 meters. A large entrance is always a potential source of heat loss. That's why we installed insulated gates here. They isolate the cold zone when vehicles enter and leave, preventing the entire production space from cooling down every time the entrance is opened. Now let's take a look at the heating system. Our structure covers 1,210 square meters, so the heating system was designed specifically for this volume, taking into account the Bulgarian climate, as well as an additional capacity reserve for emergency situations. In accordance with Bulgarian safety regulations, the heating module is located in a separate room, with the system routed between the arches. Inside the facility, the appropriate equipment is installed to distribute warm air. There is another important consideration when it comes to a large enclosed space. Warm air rises, so some of the heat can accumulate near the ceiling, while the temperature in the working zone remains lower. That's why destratification fans are installed here. Their purpose is to mix the air masses and bring warm air from the upper part of the facility back down. This can result in potential heating energy savings of up to 30%. Take a look at the perimeter of the structure. Metal posts are installed here, with electrical utilities routed along them. We specifically organize the system this way to distribute the necessary power throughout the facility, without compromising the integrity of the membrane envelope. A separate technical module was also provided at the facility. This keeps engineering systems out of the main production space and allows the working area to remain as functional as possible. During the design process, we had to meet safety requirements regarding the placement of entrances. That's why the facility has 3 entrances, positioned so that the distance from any point inside the building to the nearest entrance does not exceed 40 meters. Another important element is the pressure maintenance system. Since this structure is less than 60 meters long, 1 inflation unit is sufficient. To maintain the required pressure in the structural elements, the pump operates for just 12 minutes per day. Let's also take a look at how the structure is anchored to the ground. In our case, to the foundation. Each frame support is secured with 4 anchors. Each anchor is designed to withstand a load of up to 350 kilograms. This provides the structure with reliable mechanical anchoring to the foundation along its entire perimeter. 1,210 square meters of production space, designed around the specific requirements and safety regulations of the country where the structure is installed. We took into account the site terrain, heavy vehicle access, heating, heat distribution, utilities, safety requirements, reliable anchoring, and the pressure maintenance system. And now, this is where we manufacture pneumatic structures tailored to your individual requirements. If you'd like to see the structure in person, our production facility in Dobrich also serves as a showroom. We'll be happy to show you the structure and answer your questions.